Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we are going to learn how to square a 3-digit number. Remember, this method applies numbers between 100 square to 316 square only. Let's try an example. 208 square. Find the base for 208, which is 200, because 208 is close to the base 200. Find the difference between 208 and the base 200, which is 8. Write 8 as plus 8 to show that 208 is greater than the base 200. Next, add 208 plus the difference 8. 208 plus the difference 8 is 216. Multiply 216 with the 2. Why 2? Because we take 2 from the 200. So 6 times 2 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus carry 1 is 3. And next 2 times 2 is 4. So write down the 4. So 216 times 2 is 432. 2 more digits to go, because when you square a number between 100 square to 316 square, the answer is always a 5-digit number. Okay, so square the difference 8. So 8 square is 64. So write down 64. So 208 square is 4, 3, 2, 6, 4. Let's try another example. 296 square. The base for 296 is 300, because 296 is close to the base 300. So find the difference between 296 and the base 300, which is 4. Write 4 as minus 4 to show that 296 is less than the base 300. Next, subtract 296 minus 4, which is 292. Next, multiply 292 with 3. Why 3? Because we take the 3 from 300. So 2 times 3 is 6. 9 times 3 is 27. Write down the 7 and carry the 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus the 2 is 8. So 292 times 3 is 876. 2 more digits to go, because when you square a number between 100 square to 316 square, the answer is always a 5-digit number. Square the difference 4. 4 square is 16. So write 16. So 296 square is 87616. Try one more example. 316 square. The base for 316 is 300, because 300 is close to 316. So find the difference between 316 and the base 300, which is 16. Write 16 as plus 16 to show that 316 is greater than the base 300. Next, add 316 plus the difference 16, which is 332. Multiply 332 with 3. Why 3? Because the base 300 has a 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Another 3 times 3 is also 9. So 332 times 3 is 996. 2 more digits to go, because when you square a number between 100 square to 316 square, the answer is always a 5-digit number. So find the square of 16. The difference 16. So 16 square is 256. Since there's only supposed to be 2 digits, we carry the 2 and write down the 5 and 6. We write down the 6 as it is, write down the 5. 6 plus 2, 8, and write down the 2 9s as it is. So 316 square is 99856.
Thanks for watching.